Hey guys, Mike from Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm. Recently, I had a chance to tour the farm of Bob and Deborah Ford in Kansas City, Kansas. It was an awesome experience. Check it out.
Oh my God, Bob, something's getting into the watermelon. Oh man. Bob, what are we gonna do? Something's eating the watermelon.
Well, we're gonna trap them. That's what we're gonna do. I mean, that's the only thing we can. They're young. They just starting to get ready to, another 20 days they'll be ready. And the coons know they're ready before we do. So we're gonna keep you up. They update you on what's going on with this here. They're trapping the coons.
Bob, now is not the time to be eating your lunch.
Well, the coons is eating, and they eating our watermelons. And the apples is about one of the best things to get. Mike, get the trap.
Okay, Bob, I got the trap.
That ain't a trap. Now this is a trap, Mike. This is what you want to catch the raccoons with. And remember to get the trap down and put some out. The apples will catch them really.
I got the apple slices right next to this big crimson sweet. Look how big that is. Oh yeah.
20 days.
Cage back there. The apple slice back there. Towards the back. Make sure it's level. Place it right up against the watermelon. There we go. The trap is set. We just have to wait and see. Don't forget to follow us on the YouTube channel, like us, subscribe, share the video, and comment if you want to see more Farmer Bob, if you want to see more of the raccoons, if you want to see more of me, if you want to just leave a comment on how we're doing, go to the YouTube channel, Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm, and let us know what you think. Or if you have an idea of something that perhaps you would like to see us grow, go to our YouTube channel, Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm on YouTube, and we'll let you know how it turns out with us trapping these raccoons.
What an awesome time I had at the farm of Bob and Deborah Ford in Kansas City, Kansas. And thank you again for having me out, and look forward to working with you and your farm this year in 2023. All right, guys, I'm Mike at Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm. I'll see you in the next video.